So we start off today's video with someone who has long, dark hair. The stylist places the hair in some ponytails, begins to cut them off, and bam! Beautiful pixie makeover. This is absolutely gorgeous. It does feature the baby bangs in the front. Very nice. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle. And today we will be taking a look at a variety of hair transformations. So once again, we see the stylist place the hair in some ponytails and begin to cut. Gorgeous mid-length cut. I really like what he did with the color with that as well. And then we move on to the next one. So it looks like she is in for a cut refresh, and she ends up leaving with a beautiful pixie style. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll of course stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Beautiful shaggy shoulder length bob style. Wow, this is very cute. Right on trend with all of the hot looks that we are seeing in 2023. Absolutely stunning. And then we once again have someone cutting their hair. So we see those ponytails once more. So this time she's able to cut her own hair. She gets some color. Wow, another gorgeous mid-length haircut. Beautifully done. I love the tousled bit of texture that the stylist created. Very pretty. Next up, we see someone rocking out this flawless platinum choppy style pixie. This is absolutely gorgeous. And platinum, as you guys know, is one of the hottest hair color trends that we've been seeing heavily in 2023. And I am just loving this look. Oh, wow. Take a look at this undercut pixie. Wow, I love the overall shape and texture that this has. So beautiful. Very modern, edgy style. So then we move on to the next hair transformation. Looks like she's in for a cut refresh. So She's telling the stylist what she wants. Looks like she wants to keep the hair a little bit longer in the front. And there is the finished results. Beautiful asymmetrical pixie style. So next up, let's have another hair transformation. So this client comes in with shoulder length hair. This particular stylist loves to cut his client's hair with the razor, really providing a nice amount of choppiness within the texture. Wow, this is absolutely beautiful. Such a gorgeous pixie makeover. So we have one last hair transformation for today. Looks like the stylist is putting in some layers as well as some curtain bangs for this one. Beautiful mid-length haircuts. Nice, effortless, simple, and chic. Alright, you guys, I hope you were loving all of today's hairstyles. If you did, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.